Influenza is in the news. So, what is influenza? Influenza, also commonly known as the flu, is an extremely contagious respiratory illness caused by the influenza virus. It mainly infects the nose, throat and the lungs. The flu is very different from the common cold and needs to be differentiated from it because common cold does not need any treatment, whereas flu is a potentially dangerous illness and needs to be recognized and treated. How serious is this flu? While flu illness can vary from the mild to severe, children will need medical care because of flu. Flu can result in complications like pneumonia, bronchitis, sinusitis and ear infections. Some health problems that are known to make children more vulnerable to flu include children with asthma, diabetes and disorders of the brain or the nervous system. How can your child be protected from the flu? The first and best way to protect against flu is to get a yearly flu vaccine for yourself and your child. The flu shots and the nasal spray flu vaccines are both options available for vaccination. It's specifically important that young children and children with certain long-term health problems should receive their annual flu shots. Why should this vaccine be administered yearly? We must remember that the flu viruses are constantly changing in their composition. Flu vaccines are updated often to protect against the flu viruses that research indicates are most likely to cause illness during the upcoming flu season. There are two types of flu vaccines, the injectable form which is a killed vaccine and the nasal spray form which is a live attenuated vaccine. In children generally the injectable form is preferred. What are the benefits from the flu vaccine? A flu vaccine can keep you and your child from getting sick. When vaccine viruses and circulating viruses are well matched, the flu vaccination has been shown to reduce the risk of getting sick with flu by about half. Flu vaccines can keep your child from getting hospitalized with flu. One recent study showed that flu vaccine reduced children's risk of flu-related pediatric intensive care unit admissions by 74%. The next issue is this flu vaccine safe? Flu vaccines are made using strict safety and protection measures. Millions of people have safely received flu vaccines for decades. Flu shots and the nasal spray flu vaccines are both safe options for vaccination. Different types of flu vaccines are licensed for different ages. Each person should get one that is appropriate for their age. The schedule of this vaccine is that routine flu vaccination is administered at 6 months and 7 months of age and then yearly till 5 years of age. Annual flu vaccine should continue for those children who are in the high risk groups. This includes children who have either asthma, chronic respiratory, cardiac or metabolic conditions like diabetes or children who have certain deficiencies of the immune system.